Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the things you can do to make your gig run more smoothly. They're in no particular order. Some of them you may want to do, some of them you may not want to, but these are the things you can do to make sure your gig runs smoothly and looks more professional. So let's get started. The first one is a set list. A set list is so important. This depends whether you're playing 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever. Have a set list and time the songs so it exactly lasts that long, because there could be an act on after you who needs to get on the stage at that time. Some people think they can look at the audience and decide what song they'll want, but trust me, the gaps between the songs get longer, and you don't want any gaps really. You want the audience to applaud, and when it starts to quieten down, go into your next song. And what happens is you end up discussing and somebody said, no, I don't want to play that song. So you look at another one and then another one, and them gaps get longer. Ideally, you'll finish one song, bit of applause, 5 or 6 seconds later, starting your next one. This is important for people who play in bands that people dance to. You don't want the people walking off the dance floor because they might not walk back on. You want to keep the songs rolling, and 5 seconds is quite a long time. If I pause now, that is roughly 5 seconds. It seems quite a long space of time, but that's what 5 seconds is. So they can applaud, it quietens down, and you start your next song. Now with the set list, you want one printout for each band member, and they can pin it on the floor, on the music stand, or wherever. If, like me, you play multiple instruments on stage, you may need to change instrument for the next song. So I need to know which instrument to grab next, and by looking down, you can have that. You can also put the key the song is in, just to remind people. I know people say, well, you're not going to forget that, are you? But trust me, at times you can. If you're playing to backing tracks especially, because you might just forget what key the backing track's in. So if you're playing a song, write the title, then after it, whichever key it's in, A, B, C, D, sharps or flats. So that's what you can do. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more subscribers we get and the more thumbs up we get, the more videos we will make. So, until next time, take care, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.